Alright guys, Leon here, 904 p.m. Alright, in the next part, taking down either 10 or 20 feet of this Rohn 25. So, you see what I done separated here. It was a little hard to do by hand because of the amount of years this up, so I had to take a hammer and just kind of pong it up a little bit until it is almost out. So the plan is I'm not using a proper gin pole to do it, but I'm using the taller, the 85-foot tower as a sort of a gin pole. So you see I have a rope going across from almost the top of this section, high up on the tower, tied off to the top, coming down here. And not too high up, that's about maybe 40 feet from the ground. Alright, so today overcast, a little bit of rain, so actually nice cool weather for some tower work, but I don't recommend anybody going up on wet towers. So, but I have about 30 years experience doing all these tower work and all kind of weather and whatnot. So plan is to just get that up and out and hopefully hanging sort of away. Alright.